Microfinance Support Center kesida ikorokorete apia ingunu nude mioga. Ido eutaskopekwa na Etutuor engare noko kiere anatarari nado karamoja. Anode engara kinalosta Etutuonori engare noko luda tukono ngunu nude sakole mioga aijene iponelo ya itakecha PA.
As a board, the technical staff has brought to our attention that there are some challenges we are facing in the implementation of this program called EMYOGA. EMYOGA is a very good program. We felt there is need to make people understand the importance of EMYOGA.
And some of the participants include district commercial officers, district community development officers, and some local trainers. The idea is to empower these people so that they can go back to train the circle leadership on management of circles and many other things concerning the operations of these circles.
Ido karamoja nyezda iwadi kauni tungale dolete lukumina kaisara lokanyi kwa takanyape itomonangon atuko nongono ke mioga sako nedolete akwa tarekida kaisa kanyeuni alukanyeuni ido kopekwa na microfinance nyezda daubera korar isrigin lwedolete bilioni ni kanyeuni chunya kaiwongon.
We have given out 8.4 billion seed capital to these circles and 3.2 billion given out to 112 circles, benefiting a total of 8,536 individuals.
Akala nyanu toto manaimono isirigini kaijene na arononi na ikamnara kede isirigini lude mioga nyezda chetioni seuta itolitolo program lode koto representi tunga jakuno tomano bakor.
Saving culture, we made members emphasizing people must save. The donor, the partners who help us here giving us aid, they give us money from their own savings.
We will do everything possible to ensure that our pastoral communities are guided in terms of how to manage the mioga. It is a bigger challenge, no question about it, in respect of Moroto, because the issues of dealing with the pastoral community that shifts where there is when they get challenged here, they will shift to another place.
The community bases on you to maybe ensure that they develop, but you yourself, you are telling people negative issues in regards to government program. There was one DCD who was caught stealing money from a mioga in another region, not here. Maybe it also happened here. Commercial officers, they have their hands into the mioga money.
Some people think that some of these programs, when they come, possibly it is a donation, which is not the case. We are telling our community member, the grassroots citizen, that this money the government has brought the plan purposely to ensure that their lives are transformed.
Konyedo James Ashilako loderai RDC otomano Moroto nyezda bwe manadokwa na ngunu lude ute tutura nalo sta Etutuor ngare no koluda igurupun bochoi kina chabeso ochakasa akiro no da ijaja to ikapun ebe kotosi anengara kina kui.
Don't ask for any money from any circle, from an association. You do that, you have spoiled and killed it. People have had issues is asking some money from these circles. Ask for any money. Now you will not become a trainer. You will become like another person. Those people now say, how far? Where's our money? You will even fear picking calls.
Godfred Eyoku, TV East, Moroto.